Mind-blowing smart machines that make work look too easy, Part 4. There are moments in the industrial world that make you stop, hold your breath, and whisper, "I can't believe a machine just did that." From robotic arms spinning like steel dancers to production lines flowing as smoothly as a mechanical symphony, everything hits you with that mix of awe, satisfaction, and curiosity. You can't help but wonder, what kind of magic is happening behind all that cold metal? Inside modern factories, where hot steel meets smart thinking, where gears merge with lines of code, these smart machines are redefining what labor means. They don't just work faster, stronger, or more accurately, they work in ways so perfect it almost makes you smile. A raw steel plate sliced by a laser sharper than lightning. A multi-ton block lifted as gently as a sheet of paper. An automated line turning complex steps into motion smooth as oil on glass. That's the dance of machinery, the heartbeat of engineering, the music of modern manufacturing. And inside that symphony, every technical detail carries a story of creativity, progress, and the endless human journey to master materials and optimize the world around us. If you love technology, if you enjoy the pure visual satisfaction of factory machine compilations, if you're mesmerized by the nearly superhuman precision of automation systems, you're about to step into something special. Get ready, because what you're about to see will make you question one thing. Is this still just machinery, or is it a new form of intelligence waking up inside the sound of engines? Hit like, tap subscribe, and ring the bell, because right now we're stepping into a world where machines work with a level of ease that feels unreal. As you move deeper into modern factories, you enter a universe powered by steel logic and digital intelligence. Here, every CNC precision cutter, every robotic system, every automated production line isn't just a tool, it's a teammate built to handle the heavy, complex, ultra-precise work humans shouldn't have to do. Picture a robotic arm in an automotive plant. It spins 180 degrees in fractions of a second, placing a metal panel with an accuracy finer than a strand of hair. No shaking, no hesitation, no mistakes. That stability is the dream of every engineer, and machines with their steel frames and perfectly tuned servo systems deliver it as naturally as breathing. Go further and you'll see automation systems working together like a disciplined formation. One machine feeds material, another presses, another scans with LiDAR sensors, and an AI unit decides the next step in the sequence. Everything runs as one continuous loop, where every nanosecond is optimized for massive efficiency. Technology doesn't just boost speed, it elevates quality. A laser cut so clean it needs no polishing. A circuit board assembled by robots moving faster than the human eye. An automated sorter using cameras and AI to detect defects smaller than a pinhead. And here's the remarkable part. Behind those razor-sharp motions are algorithms that learn every day. When a machine catches an error, it doesn't just fix it, it remembers. When the line shifts, it adapts. This isn't machinery in the old sense. This is adaptive engineering, mechanical power fused with intelligence, pushing manufacturing into its smart era. But the greatest meaning lies beneath it all. Every machine is born from humanity's desire to push past limits. From the days of clattering brass gears to factories full of self-learning robots, the center has never changed. Humans always search for ways to make work lighter, safer, more precise, and more beautiful. Smart machines make the work look effortless, but creating them, that's where things were never easy. It took human persistence, discipline, and imagination to push the world to the level of automation we see today. When you look at a flawlessly running automated line, You're not just seeing steel and motors, you're seeing vision. You're seeing the stubborn courage of people who dared to think differently. You're seeing years of non-stop testing just to make one technique so smooth that the entire world nods in approval. That's the true power of technology, human willpower, crystallized into metal and code. Among the spinning steel shafts, the hiss of pneumatics, and the hum of servo motors, one truth never changes. Humans are the soul of technology. A machine can lift tons of material, slice steel like butter, or run 24 hours a day without fatigue. But for it to reach that level of perfection, there must be someone behind it. An engineer patiently tracking microscopic flaws no one else notices. A seasoned mechanic who hears a slightly offbeat clunk and spots a problem before it becomes a failure. A programmer spending hours fine-tuning algorithms so the robot can adjust itself instead of needing a reboot. Even the most powerful machine is just a metal skeleton until it's infused with human thought, intelligence, and creativity. Walk through any modern factory and you can feel this. Surrounded by hundreds of automated systems, there are still people quietly watching every variable, listening to every movement, keeping the production line truly alive. They don't just operate machines, they tell stories through engineering. A flawless design is a great chapter. An optimized line is a milestone in progress. A smooth-running robot is the result of dozens of failures that an engineer accepted as an essential part of creation. Some say that when technology becomes intelligent, humans will be replaced. It sounds intimidating, but reality moves in the opposite direction. The smarter machines become, the more humans must sharpen their intuition, expand their creativity, and master new skills to lead them. Technology doesn't erase people, it elevates us to a higher tier where work is no longer a burden, but a form of craftsmanship. Watch a production line run flawlessly and a powerful truth appears. Machine brilliance exists only because humans dared to dream big enough and endure long enough. Nobody builds groundbreaking technology in a rush. The machines that amaze the world today were forged through thousands of hours of testing, refining, rebuilding, and trying again. Engineers accepted long nights, dead ends, and endless iterations, all to reach a perfect motion, a flawless operation, a production line that feels like it's breathing. From construction sites to factories, from design rooms to fabrication floors, the lesson never changes. Technology is only as strong as the humans behind it. That's why every satisfying machine clip, every welding robot, every assembly robot, every autonomous mover hits with a certain emotional resonance. They are proof of minds that refuse to quit. Looking back at the entire journey of technology, from the first wooden wheels to high-level automation in today's smart factories, one truth shines as clearly as the flash of a welding arc in a dark workshop. The world never stands still. It always moves, always transforms, always advances because of people who refuse monotony and challenge every limit. The smart machines we witness today aren't just industrial products. They're symbols of the speed at which humanity is climbing the ladder of progress. We see robotic arms spinning like controlled tornadoes, precise down to the millimeter. We see material handling systems so powerful they can move tons of steel as lightly as a breath. We see automated production lines flowing with the calm rhythm of something invisible, guiding every step. And that feeling, that too effortless to be real moment, is exactly what makes technology so mesmerizing. But behind that fascination lies a deeper truth. No motion is perfect without a human behind it. Every laser cut sharp as lightning comes from a researcher who once stayed up all night tuning each pulse of light. Every automated robot assembling parts flawlessly is the result of engineers rewriting code again and again to shave off a single millisecond of delay. Every AI quality control system is built by developers patiently training data models so machines can see the world a little more accurately. Technology isn't magic. Technology is effort. It's sweat. It's relentless curiosity. It's the journey where humans turn limits into launch pads. When millions of people watch factory machines compilation videos in pure amazement, it's not just visual satisfaction. It's a tribute, a quiet salute to the years of engineering that made those machines possible. A reminder that behind every silky smooth motion lies a pair of hands and a human heartbeat. When you see machines working with impossible ease, remember they didn't appear out of nowhere. It was the people who dared to ask questions, dared to experiment, dared to break limits, who turned wild ideas into metal, into motion, into power. If you want this world to grow stronger, better, more astonishing, keep supporting stories about technology and engineering and the people inside the factories. Like, subscribe, and share so more people can be inspired by the quiet but extraordinary work happening every day in industry. And before we close, hold on to the message that manufacturing whispers through every engine sound. Machines don't build the future. Humans do.